Okay, so we are live on Facebook with the Shankar Mahadevan Academy, and we have our two uh, eminent, what can I say, not only supporters but such important people for us who are, whom we look up to, whom we respect, and their positive energy, their blessings mean so much to us. Our own dearest Tara Kini ji and Lalit Rao ji, thank you so much for this incredible thought that you all have put into the Academy of Naman Sajan Pia. I still remember, was it, I mean, we inaugurated 2 years back?
2018, yes.
2018, and what an amazing initiative. Because, not only in the, I think, not only in the field of music, I think anywhere in India, the concept of archiving is still very, very, very weak, as opposed to when we go abroad and see even small things they archive and keep it for years and years. And with the kind of strong culture and with the kind of strong, depth in music that we have in our country, I think that this is so important. And the importance of this will only keep growing as the years go by. So thank you, Taraji and Lalitji, for making this happen. This is like having a treasure chest with us, and preserving what our great maestros have left behind, taught us, uh, leaving it for the next generation. So I'm really looking forward to hearing some fabulous performances by Radhika and Anushka, who have, Sridhar, more than about what 550 people have enrolled into this particular program.
Yes, and Tara will talk a little bit about Naman Sajan Pia and what we have done here. The Archive to
Okay.
Alive project from the Shankar Mahadevan Academy was essentially what you just said, right? To get the archive not dusting, but get it out to people. The courses are available for free for anybody who wants to learn, and we can also provide a teacher who wants to learn from a teacher. So Tara?
Yeah, sure. So as you said, Shankarji, firstly, wonderful that you could join us today.
Of
It's very
course.
special. It makes it all very special for us. And of course, that Lalitaka is also there is double, glory for this web page today, I think, for this webinar. And I just want to say that what you said just now was a dream come true for Lalitaka, also for Vidushi Lalit Rao, because the fact that she had already taken a lot of trouble to teach each one of us the 68 original compositions of her Ustad Khadim Hussain Khan Sahab, and she had taught it to us in all its detail, including the rag, every rag. So it meant almost 68 ragas or 50 odd ragas that we learned from her. And then she had got it recorded professionally. And then, at that point is when I approached the academy, Shankar Mahadevan Academy, requesting that we launch a website with these compositions so that it becomes available to a much larger audience. And that is when Sridhar immediately thought of not just creating the website, but he said, let us make it available to all students and music lovers to learn. So every composition, we have created courses with the audio recordings, lyrics, and notations, and all the students of Lalitaka have contributed towards writing these notations, the lyrics. So each of these 68 compositions has the notation with it, so that it's easy to learn it even on your own. And that is what both the students today have done, the ones who are going to present to us. So over to you, Sridhar.
Yeah, so let me invite Anushka Prabhu from the children category and Radhika Joshi, the winners of the competition that we ran for Naman Sajan Pia about 2 years ago. And so who's going first, Radhika or Anushka? Who wants to go first?
Anushka.
Anushka, please go ahead.
So I'm singing Rag.
The rest of us, can you please go on mute?
Yes.
Don't we want to hear Lalit ji speak something?
We were keeping that for the
Finale.
end. Finale,
Fantastic.
yes.
Okay. No, sometimes after the performance, everybody just leaves and goes. That's right.
No.
So-
We'll make sure that doesn't happen.
Wonderful.
So I'm singing Rag Keda, which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. So it's a theme by Bandish, that is Ariye Nenu.
That was just amazing, Anushka. Amazing. I mean, what sur, what each and every note was so beautifully rendered. It's amazing feel, and what an amazing composition, Lalitji. It is really, really. I mean, what a pleasure hearing. I mean, who's taught you this one, Anushka? Can you tell me?
Chaitra ma'am.
Sorry,
Chaitra
the
ma'am.
one and only Chaitra. Welcome. Oh, you are so good, Anushka. Really, really looking forward to meeting you in person and hearing you more. Fantastic, fantastic,
Thank you, sir.
amazing, amazing, superb, great. So, who do we have next?
Lalitji, would you
Can
like to
we
say something?
request? Yeah, we'll request Lalitaka also to give some feedback, please.
Anushka, it was so wonderful to hear the composition from someone who has not seen Khan Sahab, who doesn't know anything about him. And it has made me feel happy that by putting these recordings and the notations and with the help of someone, guru like Chaitra, you can pick up and demonstrate it so beautifully. What I would like you to do is work on this bandish, think about it, what it means, what it says, and try to bring out those emotions you see. If you think about what the bandish says, then it becomes easier to express those emotions and it will reach, you will make a contact with the listener also. Wonderful, and you've got a very good talent and a wonderful future. May God bless you. And thank you for, why did you choose this one?
I thought that this rag is so beautiful. This rag, I like this rag.
You like this rag, okay. And did you like the bandish also, or
Yeah.
mainly because of the rag?
No, the bandish and rag, both of them.
Both suited you. Very good. And I think you did a wonderful job.
Thank you, ma'am.
You know, she's got an inherent. She doesn't even realize that when she sings that little khatka, that little murki
Yes.
that comes automatically, you know, that is inherent. See, that is all God gift, you know.
Yes, it has
And
come from a third dimension.
yeah, it's so beautiful. And both the madhyams, the Komal and the Shuddha Madhyam is so beautifully you sang. Very nice, Anushka.
Thank you, sir.
And a beautiful voice.
Thank you.
No, the first note itself she started, no? That itself is like, it hits you straight. Amazing.
Thank you so much, Anushka. Thank you, Shankar. Thank you, Lalitji. Now, I will request our winner in the adults category, Radhika Joshi, to present her composition. Thank you.
Namaste, good morning everyone. I'll be presenting a composition in Rag Basant Bahar, and it's quite a challenging composition, I must say. I really enjoyed working on it. Basant Bahar is a Jod Rag of Basant and Bahar, as the name suggests, and there are very few compositions in this Rag, which is what really made me choose this Rag to work with. I had done the Rag initially in a different composition, but through this bandish of Ustad Khadim Hussain Khan Sahab, I was able to see a different dimension of the same rag. So I really enjoyed learning this composition, and I'll just sing Rag Basant Bahar. Is it Tanpura okay?
Whoa! My God. Amazing justice you have done to this amazing composition. You know, when you hear this, as they say, the proof of the pudding is in the eating. No, this whole exercise that Lalitji, you have this initiative. That this is the gratification that we
Yes.
get. You know, when you hear that, you feel that the program is so successful. So amazing, Radhika. So amazing. What a pleasure it is hearing you and hearing this rendition and this rag. Oh my God! You know, it's like visualizing. You know, two chessboards next to each other, one in red and black and white, and one in red and white, kept close. And you know, she's treading between both the chessboards. It's
Yeah.
like that. You know, black Majara. Suddenly, she's jumping into the red one when the other notes come, and then comes back to the black. It's so amazing. Beautifully, son. Beautifully.
Thank you so much.
Who taught you this?
So the composition I learned by myself from the recording that Lalitji students did.
Okay.
Rag I learned from Pandit Raghunandan Panshikarji. So
Oh wow.
I have had talim of the rag.
Please give him my pranams.
Sure, definitely. I will definitely.
Great, great, amazing, beautiful. Lalitji, what do you got to say?
Wonderful.
Thank you
As
so much.
Shankar said, I felt the whole exercise was worth it with hearing the two of you. And your voice is so beautiful. It just soars wherever you want it to go. Maybe before you imagine, it's already gone there. Clear all over and absolutely in sur. And you brought out the beauty of the composition very, very well. I think Khan Saab would have been very pleased wherever he is.
Lalitji, can you tell us a little more about Khan Saab? Little something.
Khan Saab, Khadim Hussain Khan Saab belonged to the Agra Gharana, and he was mainly a teacher. He taught, and his whole life was spent in teaching. Vidyadan was his mission in life. He lived in Bombay. He grew up in Aligarh and Jaipur, and he had very rigorous talim. And after that, he moved to Bombay, where many of the Agra Ustads came, and he settled down in Bombay. And when I moved to Bombay, because my husband was transferred there, I had the good fortune of learning from him. And after moving to Bangalore, I felt he had given me so much of his Vidya. Yes, I was teaching my students, my extended family. And God and Khan Sahab have blessed me because I've got a wonderful set of students who are not only talented, they're very dedicated and devoted. And so I had taught them, but how was it going to remain? So I thought, let me, after recording devices came, people have been recording their bandishes and lectures. So I thought, let me at least record. And then my wonderful batch of students said, why not we put it on the web? Okay, so we'll create a website. Now that was my knowledge of all these things is quite what shall I say, zero. So I just left it to them. And we went ahead, recorded the whole thing. It was a wonderful experience because I relived all my student years, my talim. And after we finished, we were about to finish recording. Tara, who is the one who gets all the ideas and she's the mover behind most of the things that happen in my life.
We love Tara. We love Tara.
Yeah. So she, I think, must have mentioned to Sridhar Ranganathanji whether he could help us launch the website. And you know how Sridhar ji is. He's like instant electricity. You know, he works at I don't know what speed, jet speed, supersonic speed. So we went to meet him and he had already created the website for us right there. And then he says, can we put it on the Shankar Mahadevan website? Now that was a blessing for us, because if it is just on its own, how many people know about Naman Sajanpriya or Khan Sahab or anything? So the number of people accessing it would be very limited. So my only aim was to see that it reaches as many people as possible. Now Shankar Mahadevan Academy is doing remarkable work in spreading music and musical knowledge all over the world. So if this remains as a link on that website, at least out of curiosity, 1 in 10,000 may access it. Let us see what it is. And then 1 in a million might find, yes, I know I'd love this bandish, I'd love to learn. But still, we are reaching out to so many more people than we would have done on our own. So I'm eternally grateful to Shankar Mahadevan Academy, to Shankarji, to Sridhar Ranganathanji, and Tara, our motivator, who have been responsible for putting, and listening to these two today, I felt that it has been successful in a small way, but that is how we begin. And it will slowly spread. And what a wonderful way of preserving. And it shows that you can pick up from recordings and notations. And in this, I have to be very thankful to my students who notated it, especially Kailash Kulkarni, who has a very important job. And he did the majority of the notations, and the others helped him to put it all together. And I shouldn't forget Chitra Saletur, who helped us to bring the whole thing together. So it is not one person's effort, Shankarji and Sridharji. It's a pooled effort, and you two are the main people who are pushing it forward.
Lalitji, all I can say is, it feels like you have just taken one bandesh and recorded it and put it out there, and you feel that, oh, it's a small thing and 1 in 10,000 people will come and see it. It's not so. For us, having this treasure chest with us, it's a very, very big thing for the academy, because this creates more depth, aesthetical value to the academy, and really it really means a lot having this. See, for example, this Basant Bahar that she sang, this one composition is enough material for an artist's lifetime knowledge about Basant Bahar.
Yes.
You just go on mulling over only this one composition, and new derivatives will come out, new ideas will come out, how to explore the raga. So it's incredible amount of material that we have. So thank you so much, really.
Thank you so much.
I just like to add that with this this initiative of Naman Sajan Pia came after the first initiative of celebrating gurus. The Guru Samman, and Lalitaka was one of the first gurus who was celebrated by the Shankar Mahadevan Academy. And from there followed the Naman Sajan Pia archive to alive. So I think Lalitaka, you have been instrumental in helping launch two very big programs in Shankar Mahadevan Academy. And as Shankar ji just said, it is such a blessing for the Academy and such a treasure for the Academy to have stalwarts like you blessing it and giving of your huge collection so generously. So thank you very much for that too.
And I'm hoping that seeing the results of this, many other collections will follow and add to the treasure that the Academy has.
Absolutely. And yeah, so like Shankar said, it's very, very fortunate to have such beautiful compositions as part of our repository. And, it's just a thing that when we put it out and said it is there, within about, I think, 4 days, we had more than 300, 400 downloads and people coming and subscribing to it. And then the contest, we had about more than 120 participants, where we shot it down to 2. And congratulations, Anushka and Radhika again. Beautiful renditions.
Yeah, I was saying it was hard for us to select just one person from each category. I am sure Taraka remembers. She was asking, can we have 2? Can we have 3? Lalitaka, a lot of them learned the compositions with lot of love for the bandishes, and we really enjoyed doing it, actually, all of us. So thank you so much for that. Thank you so much, Taraka.
Thank you for all the you've taken in teaching them.
No, I really enjoyed. I mean, it's so much learning for me also. For me, in my memory, it is the Jhinjhoti composition. Also, one of our students had worked on. So I think that's something which is going to stay in all our memory. And really nice. I think the students are taking it forward. So I'm really happy, and thank you so much. And my namaskars.
Thank you for a wonderful morning. And let's end this program. And thank you very much for everybody to be there. And lovely Radhika, Anushka. Thank you, Lalitji, for being there.
Thank you very much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Shankarji. Thank you. Thank you, Lalita.
Bye.
Bye. Bye.